Hello everyone, my name is Ayu Asniaria. You can call me Ayu, and I'm from English Class C, Tour and Travel Business. Now I will tell you about important document that you need to prepare if you want to go to India. Okay, the first introduction. India is a large and diverse country in South Asia. Its capital is New Delhi, known from its historical landmark and vibrant culture. India is the most populous countries in the world with over 1.7 billion people like this. Okay, the official language are Hindi and English, but the country recognizes 22 other regional language. Okay, before traveling to India, travelers must ensure they have the following document. So, the first, you need a passport. The passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date of arrival in India. The passport must have at least 2 blank pages for immigration stamp. And the second is visa. All travelers except citizens of certain countries like Nepal, Bhutan are required to have a visa. Common types of visa include a tourist visa for tourism purpose valid for 13 days to 5 years. Business visa for business activities such as meeting or exhibition. And the third is medical visa for healthcare and treatment. A visa application can be submitted online via the officially Indian government portal. And the third is return or onward ticket. Traveler must present a return ticket or a ticket to a third country as proof of departure. And the next is proof of financial means. Some travelers may be required to show sufficient funds to cover expense during their stay in India. And the last is health certificate. Travelers from specific country must carry a vaccination certificate, at least yellow fever vaccine. During pandemics or outbreak, COVID-19 certificate, at least negative test result or vaccination may be required. Okay, the next is immigration and regulation. Travelers must submit the following document immigration countries. Like a valid passport and visa, an arrival card completed before passing through immigration, biometric data like a fingerprint and photographs will be collected upon arrival. Okay, the second is stay regulation. Traveler must adhere to the duration specified on their visa. For stay exceeding 118 days, registration at the Foreigners Registration Office or FERO is mandatory. So, exiting India, traveler must ensure their visa is valid and they have not overstayed. There are no legal or exit bans against them. Departure cards must be complete before leaving the country. So, what's the penalty if you break the rules? Penalties for violation: if you overstay, you can be fines, deportation, or a ban on future entry. If you visa misses, includes using a tourist visa for work-related purpose. Okay, the next is the next is custom regulation in India. Items to declare. Large sum of money travelers can carry up to INR 2,500 in India currency. Valuable items such as gold, jewelry, and electronic. Items exceeding certain limits may be subject to custom duty. Example, gold exceeding 20 grams for women and 40 grams for men may incur taxes. Large quantities of merchandise must be declared. And the next is prohibited or restricted items. Prohibited items like narcotics, firearms, explosive, and hazard chemicals. Restricted items like certain animals or plants product, as well as cultural or antique artifacts. The next is green and red channels. Green channel for travelers carrying no items declared. Red channel for travelers with items that must be declared. Penalty for custom violation. Conservation so items heavy fines for even detention for custom violation. Okay, the next is cabin and baggage. Baggage. Cabin and baggage. Cabin and baggage. Cabin and baggage regulation. You must check baggage. You should know which limits generally 15 until 25 kilogram for domestic flight, and 20 until 30 kilogram for international flight flyers by airlines. Prohibited items is checked baggage like explosive, prohibited items in checked baggage, explosive, unauthorized firearms, and large lithium batteries. Carry-on baggage, weight and size limits maximum 7 kg for mass domestic flight, dimensions usually 55 by 35 by 25 centimeter. Prohibited items in carry-on baggage like liquids exceeding 100 ml per container, sharp objects like scissors and knives. Special items, sport or musical equipment. Special permission may be required for oversized items. Like the next is electronic devices like a laptop, phones, and small electronic gadgets are allowed in the cabin but must be removed during the security checks. You should know security screening. All baggage will undergo X-ray screening. Traveler must remove electronic and liquids from their bags, for separate screening, like this. Okay, uh, okay. I'm done and thank you for attention and sorry for our mistake. Bye bye.